You want to open that?
You want to open it?
You want to open it? Get it. Pick it up.
You can open it. Yeah.
It's okay. Pick it up. Not that one. Here, come here.
Okay, let's open it. I said you're going to get those presents out there for me.
They are under the tree for you.
Yeah, baby.
Did you see that?
What's that? This one. Let me see. Let me open it.
Make sure that's yours. What's it say on
What
it?
is that?
Sit down.
What is that, Mars?
That's to you. Sit down by Mercy.
Abby. I hope it is. What does she do?
Cool. You know what that does? I found that for you. You know what that does, Memphis?
What?
It's an alarm clock, and it puts the time on the ceiling, and it also makes a solar system on your ceiling. Go with your Star Wars bedding.